Hi, my name is Mariette Abrahams, CEO and founder of Qina, the hub for data and insights in personalized nutrition. And today I want to talk about how to make sense of text-based data. So there is, of course, the traditional way of using text-based data from qualitative research, such as focus groups, transcripts, survey data, that then gets analyzed manually by grouping specific words or themes together, labeling them, and then gathering insights from that that are actionable. Now, the problem with this, of course, is that it's very time consuming, it's very costly, but most importantly, it can also be at risk of a lot of bias as well, depending on who's analyzing the data. And so we really want to make sure that that is really minimized as much as possible. And therefore, text analytics can be a great way as a complementary technique to be able to validate the kind of manual qualitative analytics that has been done before. And so how that is done is by programming the machine learning algorithm with specific keywords and phrases that then can be used to extract data from transcripts or survey data very quickly, very easily at the click of a button, by making sure that you actually want to get the outcome that you were looking for, based on the question that you were asking. And so to be able to extract this data, it can be even done in real time, that you get those kind of insights based on the naturally spoken language that the people who got interviewed or whose feedback was sought can be analyzed very, very quickly. And so a very easy example is that if you see that the words bread, pasta, cereal comes up all the time, then you know that the topic that they're probably talking about is something around grains. Yeah, that is a very easy example and very straightforward example. But then you get a little bit more nuanced, where you actually need some kind of an insight to really understand what are people actually talking about, or what do they actually mean. And so here a good example is to look at the words tummy and gut and stomach and belly, and abdo is not even on there, but it can be included there as well. And so when people talk about these kind of combination of words, then they are probably not talking about their actual stomach or their, the physiology of their stomach. They might actually be talking about their digestion. And so having some kind of domain expertise in nutrition to understand what do people actually mean when they talk about it. Do they actually are they actually talking about the thing that they are actually, in terms of the word that they are using, or does it actually mean something else? And that's where text analytics can be very useful, looking again at kind of keyword frequency or topic modeling, and then trying to layering that with nutrition domain expertise to then really understand, is that really the meaning of the word? And so in our next video, I will talk about how we at Qina leverage natural language processing or text analytics in our day-to-day work. See you in the next video.